Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I think I have the most desirable muscle car in existence sitting right here. Let me tell you why. I think arguably a 1970 Chevelle is the most iconic muscle car. Now you get a red one with the black stripes, that's the signature colors. You get a convertible. Well, how about a 454, 4-speed, factory air conditioning, power windows, power locks, power trunk, power seat, power steering, power disc brakes, power top. How about cowl induction, the complete gauge package, tilt wheel, bucket seats with console. I'll even throw in an AM/FM 8-track radio. This car has it all. F41 suspension, 323 posi, and it has a build sheet. All those options I just mentioned are on this build sheet right here. It's incredible. Numbers match front to back, nut and bolt body off frame restoration about 40 miles ago. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll see all the specs, the numbers listed, pricing, photos top to bottom of this car and a few hundred other collector cars all for sale. Right now, why don't I take you for a spin in the world's most desirable muscle car? This gentleman's down south. He does incredible restorations, more than the eye can see. I've been to his shop, which is immaculate, and he had the dash out of a car, door panels off. It's just as nice inside as it is out here. He details everything. Pull this dash apart one day and it's new. Rip the seat covers off the seats, you're going to see painted seat springs. That's the type of work he does. All the mechanicals are rebuilt, front to back, all professionally rebuilt. And like I said, numbers match, motor, trans, colors, water pump, pulleys, the list goes on and on. That list is on our website. The bodywork is phenomenal. I'm sure it's better than it was new. The gaps are spot on. It's laser straight, polished to an absolute mirror. The stripes are the correct dimensions, but you don't feel them. They're smooth. Convertible top is new. The frame is restored. All new top pump, cylinders, hoses. Window regulators are all redone. Again, they're power windows. They go up and down actually really well. You have a working cowl induction. That system's all new. You got to go to our website, look underneath this car. It is so detailed. It's also an M22 rock crusher, and that's numbers matched as well. Hood and trunk light work. The wiper motor is detailed. It's got a cadmium plated booster with the deep master. All the proper stuff in here. Again, factory air, the right hoses, fuel pump. It is built to LS6 specs. I actually have a dyno sheet. It was about 460 or 470 horsepower on the dyno, that brand new engine. Immaculate, the latches, the nuts, bolts, everything is spotless. New cushions in the seat, new headrest, new seat backs, new chrome trim, all new dash. The heater controls, levers, ductwork, it's all new. Inside the trunk, fantastic, not just a spray can job, but this is immaculate metal. You don't find any seams or splices or patches. It's all perfect metal, been sprayed with a gun, got a new mat, got an SS wheel, it's got a jack, trunk light works. This is all, beautiful polished paint. The tilt columns rebuilt. I see the legs holding up the seat look brand new. The whole center console's new. It has the right Muncie shifter with the chrome ball. Yeah, the seats even feel like new because they're all rebuilt. Clock is ticking. you, cowl induction works. It closes until you tromp on it. That's when it opens. Air conditioning is all rebuilt. It's got R134 Freon. Interior lights work. All new GM correct seat belts. The vents are new. That is the ultimate. It's got a Gardner exhaust. It's a reproduction exhaust with the mufflers and the resonators at the back. That's stuff you don't see. The wheels are restored correctly. He does put radial tires on there rather than the reproduction. So there you have it. I've bought other cars from this gentleman before. He does an incredible job restoring them. Any one of these I've ever sold, the owners have been thrilled. So whoever gets this car, you really don't know how good of a car you're getting until you own it for a year. You'll call me and tell me how great it was. So go to volocars.com. You got all different ways to contact us. I have a whole staff of people here that will answer any questions, concerns you have. We have shipping, financing, so let us know how we can help you get this car in your driveway. volocars.com. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these videos as we post them. I really appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.